Okay, you can open the case type. Okay. Click on the case steps. Yeah. This is what we will say. Yeah. Click on a new order. You can close all the things, all the remaining tabs you can close. What happened? No workflow, added stages to bend on. So all the stages has gone. Now to just click on the key, close all the tabs. You can click on the down arrow on the right side and you can click on close all also. Yeah, there you can click on close on. Click on the new order. Oh, you are in the Google Road application, right? So that's where you. It is not coming. Switch the application to put order. No. Go to Designer Studio, not an App Studio. Okay. Okay. I have a good order. Click on case types on the right side. Yeah. Click on new order. Okay, now you're getting it right. You just open the flow. Okay. First of all, I'm going to select user info flow. We will share, configure, see what we have discussed in case type of flow. And inside the flow you will be having flow action. See, let me tell you the high-level context. Like the starting high-level thing is flow, action or flow. Okay. Sorry. The high-level thing is the life cycle of flow. Okay. Inside life cycle of flow, you will be having flow action. Inside flow action, you will be having section inside section. You will be having properties, right? Yeah. So now you have created a life cycle. Now we have to create a flow action. Okay, you click on the open process on the right side. You have open process, right? Yeah, there you can click. It will open up flow. You can see on the top right, top left side the rule category flow. Yes. No. Top left side in the work area only. You have correct user info name, right? There you have flow, no. Still top. You have a class, right? Yeah. There you have say, there's a flow right category. Yeah. Now you have opened a flow rule. Okay. Now you check out this rule because you have to make a changes. Click on checkout. Okay. Now this rule, you have checked out the flow action is present on a connector ship. Correct. Flow action is present on a connector ship. Double click on a connector. You have collect delivery info. Connector right. Yes, that connector. Correct. On the connector, you have a flow action. See collect delivery info. You click on the crosshair icon. It will open. Click on the crosshair icon. Yeah, here you have a collect. You are creating a flow action. See initially what you have done. You have created a life cycle. Life cycle has created a flow. Okay, life cycle or flow, both are same. Now, inside life cycle or flow, you are creating a flow action. Okay. You can click on create and open. 1 second. Create and open where it is. On the top right side. Yeah. You're creating a new rule. Okay. Now you see, this is a flow action inside flow action. You will be having a section right. See, there is a section. You just give some name like the collector. Collect the address info or some meaningful name. Yeah. Yeah. You can open that one. You need to create this section also. Okay. You create the section no, it will not come because that will be not present, right? You are just creating it. Yeah, you click on the crosshair icon. It will open that rule. You understand again. You click on create and open. What do you have done? You have created a flow action. From a flow and section from a flow action. Okay. Yeah, click on save. Section will get saved and check it in. Okay. Now go and click on save. Now you click on down arrow in a flow action. Go to a flow action. Flow action. Flow action is the new tab. Is that right? Yeah. On the top. Yeah, that is a flow action, right? See the rule category on the top. It's a flow action rule, right? Now you click down arrow on a section. It will come because you have just not created that rule. Right. See, it is come. You can select that one and you can save. You just select and see, it will check it in. It will get checked in. Okay. Now go to your flow. You have to save everything. Okay. Go to your flow. 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 You need not. No, you need not. You haven't made any change in a flow, right? That is fine. You understand. I need to show you what we have done now. We do have opened a life cycle from life cycle. You have opened a flow inside of flow on a connector. You have a flow action. You have opened a flow action. Open in the sense you have created a new flow action. Inside flow action, you have to add a section, right? So you have created a section. Yeah. Understood. Till now, any questions? No. No, right now,